Welcome to BatMon. This is a short video to learn about what BatMon logic expressions can be used for. Each BatMon device has two pins that are controllable by BatMon depending on how you configure them. The first is the relay pin. This typically controls an automotive relay or a solid state relay. The second is the switch pin or the I/O pin. This, when on, gives 3.3 volts out, and when off gives 0 volts out, so could control a solid state relay, or we could make it an input pin and use that to observe the state of some external equipment, but more about that later in another video. You can use the BatMon iOS or Android apps to simply change the state of the relay or I/O pins to on or off. Or you can use logic expressions to control the state of the connectors dynamically and automatically. Let's jump into this by giving you an example. Note, I'm recording this on a web page view of the logic configurator for demo purposes, but it's identical in the app. OK, now I want to switch a normally off relay so that I can turn on a battery charger when the 200 amp hour lithium battery I've got in my office gets low. Now I have solar in my office, but in winter months I need to top up on power from the grid. And the way I'm going to determine that the battery is low is a safe parameter of 70% depleted. So for a 200 amp lithium battery, that's after I've consumed 140 amps. Let's configure that logic rule now. So we add an expression. We select the destination type, and that is to set the relay. I switch the relay on. We select the logical source, and in this case, out of all the sensors, we choose the amp hour measurement. And then the compare type is if it is less than, and the value is minus 140 amp hours. OK, so that's configured the setting the relay on. I have a 25 to 30 amp battery charger, so I want to keep that on for say 6 hours to ensure that the battery gets topped up fully. So let's configure that. So to add another expression, for this time I want to clear the relay, and I want to clear the relay after 6 hours. So we set the logical source type here of set relay duration. We select the value is equal to, and we'll set the duration to 6 hours. OK. Now we press submit, and the app will go and configure BatMon over Bluetooth, and these rules are set up. OK, so to summarise, we can see from this example how we use simple logic to convert BatMon sensor values into a real-world effect, switching a relay. This simple concept has opened up an extremely powerful toolset that complements BatMon's original purpose, which is to monitor batteries and things that use batteries. We've now introduced automation. Logic expressions can be set up on any BatMon sensor value, so the use cases here are endless. We're really excited to hear about what clever things people are doing with BatMon logic expressions. Thank you.